Scattering of light. Now the light always travels in a straight line, but when the light ray strikes the small particles, small opaque particles, it strikes the small opaque particles or a collidical, it gets scattered. It gets scattered. This phenomena is called as scattering of light. Scattering of light depends on the wavelength. Smaller will be the wavelength, more will be the scattering. More will be the wavelength, smaller will be the scattering. That's why the blue light is having a lower wavelength will scattered most, whereas red color light will scattered the least. They scattered the most. The color of the sky is due to the scattering of light. Remember that the scattering occurs mainly due to a collidical particles. There is a true solution also. True solution which is having a smaller particles, a very tiny particles through which when the light passes does not get scattered. So it is necessary to have a particle with a definite size. Now when it comes to a part of an atmosphere, the atmosphere is a heterogenic mixture of smoke, dust particle, it is a mixture of a smoke, dust particle and many other tiny particles of droplet is been there. So that will form the collidical particles in the air, and that is atmosphere. That is considered to be a atmosphere. When a beam of light strikes these particles, the path becomes visible, and when it becomes visible it gets scattered, and this phenomena is known as the Tyndall effect. It is known as the Tyndall effect. So scattering of light is basically considered as the Tyndall effect by the collidical particle, The color of the scattered light depends on the size of the scattering particle. It depends upon the size of the scattering particle. Very fine particle is scattering mainly the blue light, while the particle of larger size scattered the red light. So smaller will be scattering the blue light, whereas larger will be scattering the red light. It will be scattering the red light. Now, why the color of the clear sky is blue? Why the color of the sky is blue? Have you ever observed this? The molecules of the air and the fine particles which is present in the air having a size is smaller than the wavelength of visible light. Thus, the more effective in scattering the light of shorter wavelength than of a larger wavelength. A smaller wavelength light will get scattered the most, and the larger wavelength light will take time to get scattered. The red light is having a wavelength of 1.8 times of that of blue color. Thus, the sunlight passes through the atmosphere. The fine particles in the air scatter the blue colors because it is having a smaller wavelength, whereas it does not scatter the red because it is having a larger wavelength. So in that case, what we will see more strongly the blue color will be observed because it is having a shorter wavelength than the red color which is having a larger wavelength. The scattered blue light enters in our eyes and we can see the sky blue in color. The sky appears to be dark while you are flying from the top because there is no atmosphere present. So that is a basic reason why we can see a blue color light. You will always observe that the color of the sun at sunrise and sunset is red in color. At the sunrise and at sunset, you will see that the sun is red in color. Have you ever observed that? It is because of the scattering of light. The sunrise and sunset is due to the scattering of light. When the sun is at horizon, the light from it passes through the thick layer of the air and covers a large distance because it is at the horizon. So it covers a large distance. When it covers a large distance through the earth atmosphere, as a result, a large amount of light gets scattered. When the large amount of light gets scattered, so only the unscattered light is being left. So what is the unscattered light? It is red color light because it is having a larger wavelength. So only the unscattered light will be observed because it has a certain distance. This is a horizon, this is at the place and this is at the position. When you are looking at this position at the horizon, from the horizon, it is at the large distance. So when it is at a large distance, large amount of light gets scattered and only the unscattered light will be observed. So blue color will be scattered first. Unscattered means only the red color will be seen. So at the time of the sunrise and sunset, you will see only the red color. So red color sun will be seen. While on the other hand, when the sun is just overhead, just at the top, you will see that light has to travel relatively a shorter distance through the earth atmosphere. As a result, a small scattering is possible. So when the small scattering is taking place, so what will happen? Neither the blue nor the red, nothing will get scattered. So all the color will be observed and that is white will be seen on the screen. So the sun will become white. So here it's a very important process of the scattering of light, that blue color, why the color of the sky is blue and why in the sunrise and in the sunset it is reddish in color. So it's a very important phenomena, very good phenomena. Hope you must have learnt a lot from here. And now we'll be coming up with the next very soon. Next chapter will be coming very soon, and hope you must have enjoyed it. And if there is any doubt, you can just consult on the WhatsApp number.